Hey, I'm going to share with you the design of CEX to DEX spot cross-exchange market making strategy. The idea is that we can provide liquidity from centralized exchanges to automated market making DEXs such as Uniswap or PancakeSwap and others using concentrated liquidity positions and out-of-range positions to be specific in place of limit orders on the maker side. So general idea is that at least on some of the decentralized exchanges, there should be less liquidity than on CEXs with enough volatility to provide opportunities for cross-exchange market making. So a little bit of background on how this works. The idea is that concentrated liquidity, which was introduced in Uniswap v3, allows you to specify a range of prices for which you will provide liquidity. And when the price goes out of those ranges, you end up with your position being just one of the tokens in the pool. So for example, here, the price goes from right to left, increasing, and token 1 is base token, let's say Ethereum, token 0 is quote token, which is USDC, for example. When we start, our liquidity is just sitting in Ethereum, but as the price increases and pass through our position, we end up with just USDC in our position, and these basically allow us to treat this as a limit order because we specify the price, and when the actual price of the market passes through that, we sell our token. The mechanics of it is pretty much involved. So my idea is that for starters, you can just place your liquidity in the next price range to the current one, or like to be exact, to the minimum price that would be profitable for you, and just calculate the profitability of the whole thing from empirical results. Here are lots of documents on how to calculate the price movements in concentrated liquidity pools. And if we will look on the logic of the strategy, it is pretty much follows the simple cross-exchange market making strategy. It's basically the same thing with substitution of limit orders on centralized exchanges with out-of-range positions in concentrated liquidity pools, which are also sometimes called range orders.